Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dark Maga coin. Ticker symbol is Dmaga. So around the same time I'm going to be uploading this video, I'm also going to be uploading a video on the Dark Elon token. So check that video out. This token, the Dark Maga token, just got listed all over the place basically today, July 22nd. The Dark Elon token, which I did a video on, that one's being listed June 23rd, a day after, on Coinex. I'm sure they're going to get other central exchanges listings as well if that token continues to do well. But yeah, this token got listed all over the place today. Dmaga is the ticker symbol, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dark Maga token. So you can find this token on SolScan. This is on the Solana blockchain. Now, the Dark Elon token I was talking about earlier, that you could check out the video I just did on that. That one is on the Ethereum blockchain. I've seen some copycat tokens come out on Solana though, so just be aware. Might not be the same dev putting those tokens out. Any one of them could be a scam, even the original one, so just be aware of that. But don't get confused. I'm sure they're going to put out, I'm sure there's copycat tokens of the Dark Maga token too on different chains. So just be aware of that. Just want to make that clear. But this token is very popular. It got the Dark Maga token just got listed on, I think it was Bitmart, Lbank, maybe Coinex as well, and Coinex Global. So there's all sorts of different ways to get this token. So if you're looking to get the Dark Maga token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Dmaga, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token has 6,329 holders already. So if you want to see the chart, you can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. You can find it basically all over, and it even says CoinGecko. Could be on CoinMarketCap as well. But yeah, definitely listed all over the place here. It has a market cap of $53,385,754. Started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Current supply right now is 999,995,404 tokens. There are 6 decimal places on this token. And yeah, Dark Maga is the name, Dmaga is the ticker symbol. So they have a Telegram you could follow, which is at Dmaga Coin, 891 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And then their webpage here has a link to buy this token from... Where does it have it? Well, anyways, let's go over a different way to get this token. So there is decentralized exchanges where you can get this token as well. So basically, you can get this token off Raydium, Jupiter, Orca, and Meteora. So you could basically fund your Solflare or Phantom wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, say find Raydium, and then trade your SOL for the Dmaga token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, dmaga.xyz. You can also find their socials over there. So yeah, there's a button that'll take you to Dex Screener. They also have a dark PFP maker. So, I mean, the laser eyes has been a thing with crypto for a long time. I do remember that guy who just got roasted on Netflix. Name escapes me right now. Football player. I don't know. It's late at night. My brain doesn't work right now. Tom, it'll come to me. Tom Brady, the guy who just got he was, changed his profile picture to laser eyes, trying to promote Bitcoin on his Twitter. But I believe that it has something to do with the Go Brandon thing as well and other stuff. So who knows why some people change it to laser eyes. Maybe some people just think it's cool. But it definitely has to do with crypto as well. So there is a dark PFP maker on here where you can upload an image, add laser eyes, blue or white lasers to your eyeballs. And so you could have some fun with that and share some memes. It's kind of a way for the community to shill out the token by doing that. They have a contact email, darkmagaonsol at proton.me. And yeah, that's basically their whole webpage because it's basically just a meme token. Now, this token is up 45% in the past 24 hours. They have $1 million in liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 98.54% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is around 5.3 cents per token right now. They're trending number 15 on Dex Screener. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $49.5 million. So yes, very popular project. This token came out 8 days, 23 hours ago. And it says there's a community claim. It says a community claim ownership of this token July 13th, 2024. And Dark Maga Patriots are in control. And that's what it says on Dex Screener. So sometimes devs will have a certain amount of the tokens, like maybe they own 5% or 10% of the tokens or something like that. They sell off their share. It takes a big dip because they sold a large amount of tokens. After the token goes up, then they'll sell it to make some money, make a quick buck. But then, the community really likes the token, so then they just keep buying the token, the devs out of the picture, and then the community kind of runs the show. And they kind of invent their own socials and webpage and stuff like that. And maybe that's why this webpage is not really up to par, and it's just kind of got a PFP generator, and that's about it. But yeah, check this token out on Coinex Global. Referral codes are down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.